let's verify this identity. There's what I'm starting with. I always like to write what I want to finish at the bottom, and I don't work over the equal sign. I change one thing until it gets to be the other thing. So that's why I set it up like this, and I just keep writing equals, equals, equals until I get down there. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do, and it might not be the right thing, but sometimes you just have to start somewhere. What seems natural, it's called following your nose. I'm going to factor out a sine squared. If I do that, I'm going to get sine squared p secant squared p plus 1. That's what I'm going to get. Sine squared secant squared. Well, secant is 1 over cosine. So what do I really have here? I like what I'm doing. I think I'm going to be fine. So I'm going to get rid of one of those equal signs. I have sine squared p times, what does this really turn into right here? Sine squared p times 1 over cosine squared p. What's sine over cosine? Tangent squared p. And this looks pretty familiar to me. In fact, I'm going to show you how to derive all those formulas. You should remember that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Well, what's in the denominator of this right here? Sine or cosine? Cosine. So divide everything by cosine squared and tell me what you get. That equals tangent, right? That equals 1, and that equals secant. So this right here just equals, I'm getting even more confident. I'm going to get rid of some space here. This here equals secant squared p. And hey, look at what I have. Sine squared p times, I'll even write this out, not that you really have to. 1 over secant squared is 1 over cosine. And what does that equal? That equals that. Done.